Hello, my name is Tanmay Vilas Chandan, third year Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Division L, roll number 9. Now I am going to present seminar presentation for object oriented programming of topic LAN based examination along with Bushra Hussain and Rutuja Ingre. First of all, I will explain what is object oriented programming. It uses objects in programming. It implements real world entities like inheritance, hiding, polymorphism, etc. in programming. It ties data more closely to function operate on it. It protects data from unintentional modification. Now we will move to our main topic, that is socket programming. Socket programming using socket programming LAN based examination system is done. Socket programming is a way of connecting two nodes, that is computer, mobile, etc. on a network to communicate with each other. One socket listen on particular port of an IP while other socket on other port to form a connection. It is thread safe. Common networking protocol like HTTP, FTP rely on socket underneath to make connections. Now client server architecture. It is computing model in which the server host delivers manages services to be consumed by client. In this process, one or more client request and receive service from a server. That is host node. Client is entity that make request seeker for information. Server entity that responds provide information. IP address that is unique ID for computer on local network area. Port number unique ID on your computer linked to program in your computer. Now sockets. Sockets allows communication between two different processes on the same or different machines. This is the way its way to talk to others. To programmer, socket look and behaves like a low-level file descriptor. Commands such as read, write work with sockets in the same way they do with files and pipes. There are two important and main types of sockets: s- streamed socket and datagram socket. First, I will explain stream socket. Delivery in a network environment is guaranteed in this. If you send three items A, B, C, they will arrive in same order. That is ABC. If delivery is difficult to sender, receives an error to indicator. If there is a difficulty in sender receive, it receives the error indicator. Now datagram socket. Delivery in network environment is not guaranteed in datagram socket. They are connectionless. Building packet with information and sending is done here. They use UDP, that is user datagram protocol. There are other types also in sockets. Now my other group members will explain other slides. Thank you.